Is your non-Windows app crashing because of the WinPcap Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. This DLL file is the main library for WinPcap, an industry-standard tool for link layer network access in Windows. It allows applications to capture and transmit network packets bypassing the standard protocol stack. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Since the WinPcap Library DLL is a third-party application file associated with WinPcap, Nmap, it isn't part of Windows. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of WinPcap, Nmap, will restore the correct version of this file to your local directory. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the WinPcap library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Installing an unverified version of the WinPcap Library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to the WinPcap library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved your WinPcap Nmap workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.